Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're at the Crew Bird Rookery Swamp. And I've got it on good word that if I follow this path and for about a quarter mile there's a pond that I may be able to catch some Oscar. And these are the same Oscar that I had as a kid growing up in my fish tank. So we're kind of looking forward to catching them. They're an invasive species down here. Kind of a cichlid, I think. So we'll follow this path and see if we can find any. Here's some tips if you on sharing the trail with alligators. Do not feed or provoke. A fed gator is a dead gator. Respect their space. I think that's probably a good idea. Looks like they got this cool boardwalk. That's kind of nice. Last time we were out on this trail, we were bird watching. This is probably 5 years ago. And there was a big alligator kind of perched right across the trail right up here. Alright, well this is the spot he was talking about. As we got the culvert pipe right here. He said there should be Oscars. And boy, we can see all kinds of activity over there. He said there should be some Oscars in here. Let's find out. I'll start with a rooster tail. I see some gar. Well, I'm not seeing any Oscar, but I don't know if you can see right in front of the pipe. Looks to be all kinds of, looks like gar. Maybe short-nosed gar. But I haven't seen an Oscar yet. And obviously we haven't caught a fish yet. So as we continue our bird watching journey, we have a great egret right in front of us. And then walking back under the shrubs, there's a limpkin back there. He's kind of hidden now. There's something in the culvert pipe right down here making a lot of noise, and he's kind of spooking all the fish. My best guess is it may be an alligator coming through, but we'll find out. Meanwhile, the great egret on the other side of the path seems to be getting a little more venturous. Our first little alligator is in the pond, kind of right next to where we cast. You can kind of see his head poking out. I have the hunch that's the first of many. And we are not having any luck. Oh, look at the cute little mini gator. Sitting right there. It's probably only 3 feet long. Cute little guy. We'll still stay out of his way. My little baby gator is coming on shore. We'll back up. He's little, but we'll give him space. So we have to somehow get by him. I think we're going to try to walk in front. keeping our distance. Looks like he's going all the way across sooner or later. Oh, there he goes. He probably looks a lot bigger on camera than he really is. Or maybe he doesn't. But he's not very big. That's my dad down there doing some bird watching while I'm fishing. Bird watching, not washing. Got three fish over there. I thought they were Oscar, but I don't think they're Oscar. They might be another type of cichlid. I don't know if you can hear that sound, but that's the gator. That's a big gator. We got an Anhinga way back there on the branch. I don't know if you can see him in the picture or not, but he's back there getting a little sun, doing some fishing. It sure is beautiful out here. Quiet, natural. It's a nice area. I don't know if you can see up in the tree up there. That's what is called witch's broom. And they form about halfway up cypress trees, and it's due to a bacteria, from what I've heard. Black-crowned night heron in the tree right across from us, right on the first main branch on the right. Not moving around much, but you should be able to see him. Then walking around over here in all the grass, we have a immature white ibis. Here, I'll walk around and see if I can get a better shot. There he is, poking his way through the grass. It's one of my favorite birds down here. Well, I think that's going to do it for this trip. We did not catch any fish, so this will not be a fishing video. But we're still going to make a video because we saw a lot of good birds. Saw some gators, heard the gator growling, saw some good wildlife. So definitely not for loss. Like I said, it's a beautiful day down here in the Everglades. So thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, even if you didn't like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next episode of Dad's Fishing Adventures. Thanks, everybody.